going to be a good night.
That's right.
Holy shit.
And then there's this big red truck with these horns.
The 1999 Auburn King and Queen. In the first green car we have Kara Stapleton, Tim Hanley, and Ryan Nolan. Guys, do that again. In the black car, we have Liz Hogan and Sarah Whitaker. In the green car we have the field of the football team. We have Nolan Ryan, and they are your 1999 homecoming King and Queen candidates. I'm sorry, Nolan Donovan. Nolan Donovan. It's got to be the horn tonight. It's the horn.